Wednesday, June 29th, 2016, 8:35 in the morning. This is the south side of the San Pedro River Bridge crossing at Palominas, southeastern Arizona. This is a view of the riverbed, the San Pedro River, that flows north from Mexico into the United States. We registered quite a bit of monsoon storms, thunder and lightning and rain during the night. So this is a view of the riverbed from the Palominas side of the San Pedro River crossing. Just a short. I'm not going to have a video of the north side. This is just the south side of the river flow. That's it for today.